Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Global Business Symposium year after year has put forth the best brands to the limelight. That deserves it, right? And in the past editions have been across the world in different countries. From tourism to entertainment, and the capital right here of tourism and entertainment in India, which is Goa. We are right here.
I'm Chairman and Managing Director of Geno Pharma Limited, located in Goa. So I'm very happy to be associated, and the thing that keeps me going is my intensity to ensure that we have, because we are in the pharma industry, we produce drugs and medicines. And when we talk about drugs and medicine, what we talk about is the customers, that is the doctors and the patients. And our endeavor has always been to ensure that we produce quality product and give it to the patient so that they get cured by using my medicine. So our efforts has always been to ensure to produce quality goods for the benefit of the patients.
And what does it take, Mr. Salgaonkar, to keep going with that mindset, right? How many years in pharmaceuticals, if you mind me asking you that?
Yeah, we have been in the market for almost 40 years.
Wow, so 4 decades is not a small time.
4 decades. And what has kept it going is the confidence that medical fraternity and the patients put together as in our products. They have been using our products, and they have found our products are useful. They can be relied upon. They can be trusted upon. So that is what makes